Oh yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? Ethan Wu here. It's gonna be my first YouTube video, so glad you could join me. I'm gonna be unboxing the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro here. So I got a few, also case, charger, and yeah, let's just get right to it. First, open the 12. This is my wife's phone. She's graciously letting me borrow it. As you can tell immediately, the box that it comes in is way smaller than previous ones, about half the size. Nice little peel off. Wow. As you can tell, it's already pretty snug in there. I don't know if you can tell. My wife got the blue phone. It's a pretty true blue. Usually iPhone kind of lies about the colors. I know with the other colors like the green, it's kind of not really green, it's like mint or some kind of style. But you also got the phone. You got a cord, USB-C to Lightning. Then we got some papers and one sticker. Not really that much, but here we go. Let's peel this off, see what it looks like. This is pretty nice. You got the aluminum casing, the glass back, and the new ceramic front. It already feels nicer in my hand. Just grip it real good. I am going from the 12 or the 11 Pro Max, which is way bigger. The 12 and the 12 Pro are the same size, but it does feel nicer with the flat edges than the rounded ones. It has the two cameras. Yeah, that's the iPhone 12 blue color. Now let's get into the 12 Pro. The 12 Pro and 12 are pretty much the same. The only difference really is the camera and the casing itself. But other than that, it's pretty much the same phone. So it comes in a black case, very pro-like, as you can tell. Peel this off. It's satisfying peel like Apple does with everything, very easy. Again, super thin case, only comes with the phone cable. That is a nice blue, right there. I thought I really loved this green. I was kind of sad to hear that they weren't gonna have it again, but I really like this blue. Pacific blue is what they're calling it. But as I've heard from other people, you can already tell it is a fingerprint, galore. Fingerprints everywhere right when you touch it on the stainless steel instead of aluminum. I don't know if you can tell or see. And peel it off. I didn't say this before, but if you look, it shows you volume up, volume down, silent and power button on the case. Very nice, very detailed like Apple is. It does have the same kind of, matte back as the 11 Pro. It does feel a little smoother, not as rough, but still feels similar. Definitely has a better grip to it. Let's see. There's one slippery there. You definitely have more grip with the stainless steel, I feel. Even though it does get your fingerprints more, I guess, because your sweat and stuff, it sticks more. I don't know if you would like that, but as you can see, they're pretty much the same except the camera. Same size, same cases. Just the three cameras, a little better lens, and then you got few features than the other one. All right. Also with the new iPhone 12, we have the MagSafe charger. Apple, with these new phones, designed a magnet built into the phone, shaped like a circle, where the new wireless charger can connect to easily, so that way you can use it while you're still charging your phone wirelessly. If you want to do that, it still doesn't charge as fast as normal plugging in. So with this box, it comes in a little box like this size. Got a few little paperwork things. Comes in a little case like this. You just gotta take it out. And with the iPhone not coming with, its charging block, they don't even provide it with this charger. And they're assuming you already have it, but the funny thing is, I was thinking about this, like my phone, the 11 Pro, came with the fast charger, the USB-C to Lightning, but my wife's 11 didn't come with that, it just came with the normal Apple block that doesn't come with USB-C. And so when they took it out, they're assuming people have that, but only the people that have the 12 Pro, or I guess the iPad, have that. So people are gonna have to spend money to get this. So let's just check out this MagSafe real quick. So it should, they claim, perfectly match up to the phone. And it does. Let's see. It's a pretty strong hold. It does rotate pretty easily. It doesn't just stay in one spot, which is nice. You do feel it like kind of clip in to the center. It doesn't always perfectly match up, but if you get it on about the center, it does do that pretty well. Let's see with the 12 Pro. Let's check that out. Yeah, little bloop. There you go. It's connected. That is pretty nice, and does still feel nice in the hand. You could twist it facing down, but at that point you might as well just have the cable, I guess. But I guess you can still, if you use plug-in headphones still, you can do that, or I don't know, whatever you fancy. So there's that. They do have the case, and they do claim it works through the case. I got the green case, and as you can see, it has the ring of magnets, so it should connect well to it. Man, I'm loving that blue and green. That is fresh. But it says it should connect still to this case, and it does. Pretty easily, still centered. And that is a beautiful phone. Wow. And Apple has a ton of different colors that you can use with this. And they also have a clear one where you can see like the MagSafe connector. But I didn't really think that was cool. I don't know if you wanted to show that off that you have MagSafe on your case, but I didn't. I didn't really care for it. I thought it was ugly, so I didn't get it. And then you got this 20-watt USB-C connector, which will charge your phone pretty fast with this wireless connector. This comes in a case like this. Take it out, plug it in, and you're ready to go. Let's see, let's compare it to this phone. As you can see, it's smaller, but not that much smaller screen size, because the screen does fill up more of the screen than the previous ones because of the flat edges. It's not rounded off, so it doesn't seem as small compared. Still got the notch, but overall, really nice phones. Excited to start using this, take pictures, take videos. This feels nice in your hand. And I'm glad I got the smaller one. I did want to wait for the Max, but I thought I'll try a smaller one because it is kind of feel big in your hand, but this just feels great. So if you're looking to get a new one, you know, Apple just did a whole new kind of like style change. But if you have the 11 Pro, I mean, I have the upgrade program, so I just upgrade every year anyways. But if you already have the 11 Pro, there's not really that much difference. It's kind of MagSafe, but hey, let's see what it does to this phone. I've heard it still kind of connects a little bit. Not that much, but it will work on this phone still if you want to get this charger. But yeah, Apple did say that they put the same screen from the 11 Pro Max or the 12 Pro Max Pros into the 12s. So that's an upgrade if you will go from the 11 to 12. Even if you don't go Pro, you'll get a better screen. There's not really much big a difference in these ones, but you know, gotta go Pro because who doesn't want to be Pro? But yeah, that's my unboxing of the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, you know, get this channel started. Ethan Wu, talking tech. Love you guys. Peace out.